what's up? It's your girl, LaShawn Dupree, but I go by LJ. I've been in fitness since I was 6. I started off as a track and field runner, and then I ended up going to West Point, United States Military Academy. Being in the Army, fitness just continued to be something that I enjoyed to do. And I decided to go ahead and become an entrepreneur and really pursue personal training. And I work out with my clients. I feel like most trainers stay on the sideline and they just want to give you their knowledge and expertise. But for the most part, I want to be down and dirty with my clients.
Hey, I'm Samantha Gibson. What made me decide to get a trainer is from a young age, my mom always said, like, you always gotta stay in shape. Like, that's your responsibility as a woman. LJ, no, when I was pregnant, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna beat my body goal. Give me grass, I will eat grass to get back into shape.
I was like, friend, don't feel like you have to deprive yourself of foods that you love or feel like you only can eat grass. That's not how I work. I'm a firm believer in living life. You know, make this your best life. Eat healthy during the week, and on the weekends, you know, as long as you portion control it out, you can have a little fun. I love sweets, and you love salty foods.
Yeah.
But we balance it out and make it work.
I turned to LJ, I was like, how long do you think it will be for me to transform my body so that I'm under 20% body fat? Because she does body fat percentages versus going to, you know, doing weight on the scale. And she was like, it would take you 3 months to transform your body. And I was like, okay, well, let's go. I was doing all of LJ's workouts. I mean, I was working out with LJ 3, 4, 5 times a week, or she would send me what I need to do on the days off. And by the end, my body all the way toned up. I dropped 20 pounds. I'm the smallest weight I've ever been. I'm the most toned I've ever been, thanks to her. With LJ training with me, it helps me because there's trainers that will tell you to scale the wall, and they just on the ground watching you scale the wall, and it's like, you telling me to do something you can't even do yourself. There's no excuses when your trainer doing it with you.
If I'm pushing you and saying, come on, give me 5 more and you got it, you know, how can I tell you that and I'm standing around looking?
It's like trauma bonding. Like, we going through this traumatic experience together, okay?
So the name of the program we have coming out is, as you can see, Be Your Body Goals.
A lot of times we focus on other people, we focus on their bodies, what they got going on, and our genetics, our bodies are all different. Like I said, I have a 2-year-old, I had a C-section, so I felt like it would be harder for me to get to certain points, or maybe it wasn't realistic for me. So we wanted to emphasize what's the best that your body can get to. Let's not focus on all the noise that maybe social media and other aspects of media put pressure on you to look like. Be your own body goal.
A lot of these other programs are all about how to lose weight, but do they help you maintain it? I talk to countless women where they tell me they've lost 50 pounds here and I lost this amount of weight in 2 weeks, and then you see them later and it's like, girl, you kind of gained it back. With this program, no matter where you're located, it's all mobile. You have access to the workouts and the menus. You'll get 12-hour access to me. If you're at the grocery store or if you have a question about the workout, you can hit me up through the app and I'll hit you back right away. We'll give you a workout 30 days. They'll have the standard version and the modified version. It'll also break down the rep count, the sets, water break, everything you could think of. We got you covered when it comes to the workout. So I wanna be right there with you in the trenches. That way I can motivate you to keep on moving. Let's go.
And then we also have meal prep options. If you don't feel like cooking, there's meal prep people that we have that are available to you that you can reach out to locally if you're in the Atlanta area. They already know the menus, they'll prepare the menus for you and you can follow along with us.
A lot of people already have kids, significant others, and you got work. So why make working out and fitness even harder? You can enjoy the foods you want and live a healthy, balanced life. You just gotta maintain it. It's a lifestyle.
If you guys are interested in doing this program with us, see the link below and go to the website. And you can buy this beautiful plan and get in shape and be your own body goals.
No excuse, let's get it.